Hello and welcome back to Premier Finds. Today, as stated in the title, we are going to do a Dior unboxing. I gathered these things over the last several weeks and in full disclosure, I really don't know, can't remember what they are, but they do have lots of holiday kits and selections. I want to share briefly with you the benefit of shopping with the Dior online option. You receive loyalty points and you get lots of extras. They have 4 tiers of buying or membership. You start off with the pearl, then you are at a silver level, then you go to gold and then platinum. I'm currently at the platinum level. And based upon what level you're on, you get additional samples, additional gifts with your purchase. In the last year, Dior has gone up significantly with their spending tiers, and I'm very sad about that. I'm just going to completely be honest. I think that was a bit over the top. I think their products are expensive enough. I'm disappointed that they went up. I love their packaging. I love Dior, but it's required that you spend a bit more to get to your levels as opposed to in years past. So if you're going to shop, I would highly recommend you consider shopping online. The benefit, however, of shopping in a boutique is that you really get to sample, smell, sniff. You get to look at the colors of the blush. You can try things on, and I know that you can do that now virtually, but in my opinion, it's not the same as in trying those things out in mall stores, freestanding boutiques, and things like that. Without further ado, you and I are going to learn together what I purchased in Dior. All right. All right, first of all, their packaging. This is this year's packaging for 2024, their holiday packaging. This was from last year. Same colors, different motif. I think the gold is a bit, I don't know, seems a bit richer to me. They always do a good job. They are top tier with their packaging. I will give them that. It's just beautiful. It is beautiful. I buy a lot from other luxury brands. They nail it with their packaging, okay? Let's see what number 1 is. What do we have? Case in point. Beautiful, beautiful. So in this one we have, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely lovely. I don't think you can appreciate how pretty that gold is, and I hope I'm getting close enough. I'll do some shots later. Beautiful star, and with that logo, very substantial, beautifully done. I love the gold threading that says Dior. Open this way. What comes in this one? We have I got this last year and it was a hit. The Lip Balm hand cream, beautiful. And their lip balm, the lip glow. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's stunning. That is pretty. Love that. All right, so we have that. And as I mentioned earlier, Dior always sends extras. So they sent a Capture Totale. Beautiful, beautiful. And this isn't your tiny one. They sent this size because I'm at the platinum level. Had I been probably pearl or silver, it would have been significantly smaller. It would have been a mini. These are signature sizes in terms of samples, that is, okay? And then, let's see what else. Just gonna put this down. Okay, on top of that, oh, the Gris Dior, this is their luxury fragrances, okay? Very nice size, very nice size. A full bottle of this retails sometimes $500–600, if not more. So that is very nice. And again, if I were not platinum, I probably would have gotten more of something like this, which is nice as well. Something like that, which is lovely. So they gave me this, a small J'adore, and 2 other deluxe fragrances, the Holy Peony and the Eden Rock, okay? So that was in that packaging. The other thing that Dior does is it gives you the opportunity to write a lovely little note to the recipient. And so that comes in this beautiful thing as well, okay? Let's see what we have here. So in this, we got the Forever Glow Maximizer, along with the Forever Glow Veil, along with the Forever Glow Star Filter. The Star Filter is the one that I think you wear with the, you wear under or in addition to. You mix in with your foundation, okay? Now, this one is very light. This is number 2. I will be mixing this with a much darker foundation because this is much lighter than my skin tone, and it only comes in the color 2. What I plan to do is to mix it in and wear it under my foundation. So I'm excited about that. I've read very good reviews on that. And then in terms of the Glow Veil, I'm excited to try their primer. This is probably the most luxe primer I have ever used. I'm gonna be honest with you. This will be interesting as I love e.l.f. primer. I love e.l.f.'s $10 primer. It has worked well for me. I'm interested to see what luxury primer is all about. I probably spend the least in primer, so that'll be interesting. I'm excited about that. And then, oh, this is the Forever Glow Maximizer. It's an illuminator, so let's see. Oh, wow. I'm just gonna swatch that because I can. You probably can't pick it up because it is very faint, but there is some pretty glitter there. Very pretty, not over the top, a little sparkle, but not too much. I'm excited about that. And there it is. And I've read good reviews on that as well. So nice job, Dior. And again, because I am a luxury, because I am a platinum level member, I get this. Again, this is a signature size sample of the La Creme, okay? Very nice, beautiful, beautiful. Also, look how beautiful that is just as a sample. I don't know if you can appreciate that. And another Capture Totale, I showed that to you earlier. Okay, I'm excited about those. This was my point earlier. Okay, this is one for men. I just thought I would try it because I hadn't had one. And then another J'adore. What I do sometimes is I take this bag and I fill it with goodies and I give it to people. They have a fit over it. It's beautifully done. because you get so many. I may put things from other lines in here, samples, and you tie it up this way, and it just makes for such a cute presentation. And I mean, when you have 20 of these, you know, share the love, okay? So that was in that packaging. I don't know. What was that? Oh, that was that. Okay, moving right along, friends. Da-da-da. What else did I get? I don't know what this is either. Oh, I'll do it this way first. Okay, this will be nice. Okay, that same beautiful, beautiful gold packaging with the star and the logo. What a nice bag. What a nice bag. And in this one, I think I tried their skincare again. Yes, it is the Big Daddy, the Capture Totale. Okay, that's what we have here. So pretty, so pretty. Along with, what do we have here? An eye serum, okay? And then, yet again, another Capture Totale, okay? And as a bonus for being a platinum level member, I received this as a gift. This little Dior mirror here, which I think is so cute. And I'm wondering if you could also use that as a little mini card holder. And it's leather. So they did right by me on this one, okay? I also wanted to mention that in addition to extra gifts with your purchases, they give you a seasonal gift, a birthday gift, and a Christmas gift. And last year they gave me a serum that retails for like $325. So they were very generous at Christmas last year. We'll see what happens this year. So those are some of the Dior packages that I received. I have a few more coming, but just wanted to give you this little tease. How about this? For the gents. And with this, I will just say for you to stay tuned for a Gifts for Him video coming up very soon. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.